Google Maps got a big update that shows where fast charging EV stations are and more. Oh, Google Maps is, in my opinion, the most underrated app on your phone. I am a big Maps guy. Sometimes I told you this before. I'll just open up some maps and spec out different trips and consider different detours and map things out inside of Maps. It's one of those ones that gets no love. Everyone just, yeah, of course I have Maps, but you try to not have Maps in there. There's a lot of other apps you would give up before Maps.
Yeah, it's always passive and very effective.
Maybe that's an indication of how good it is. You don't even think about it much.
Yeah.
You just take it, wow, sick Maps. And now they're going to make them even more comprehensive by putting the fast charging EV stuff in there, which obviously applies to you now, Mr. Tesla, Mr. Elon over there. Next week, an augmented reality feature called Search with Live View will be available in 6 cities on Google Maps. Little augmented experience, as if you've already traveled there, where you're about to travel to. Get a little sense for it, get a little taste for it. Busy guy Will catching a phone call right now. Google also added accessibility information to Maps globally. Now, when they're talking about a fast charger, here we have an image of an EQC 400 4matic charging. An updated version of Google Maps for Android and iPhone is rolling out with several new features. The option to search for electric vehicle stations with fast chargers and the augmented reality feature. If you search for a charging station in Google Maps, for example, a new option appears that allows you to filter out to only show fast charge stations that are compatible with the plug that your car uses. Lovely. It's unfortunate that it's not completely universal. Maybe one day, but for the time being, you are going to need to make sure that it is the one you're looking for. You can see it's popped open here with some charge point stations, Charge Fox station, an NMRA charging station, and an EV charging station. And each one is going to showcase that distinction of fast charge capability, which may be important to you depending on the type of road trip you're about to embark on. Fast charging will include stations with chargers 50 kilowatts or higher. The update is available in countries where EV charging stations are available, according to Google. Now, this AR feature looks pretty cool. Check this out. So we're seeing pinpointed. Wow, this is so when you, never mind, you're not looking at this in advance. This is live when you're there. You hold up your phone because you can't find the Starbucks in this scenario, and it actually pins it on your screen to the direction you should be walking in. This is for when you get very close to your destination and you just can't see the sign.
I've used it a couple times. It's quite useful. Yeah, I like it.
I like useful. That's pretty cool. When you hold up your phone, for example, and tap the camera icon in Maps, you'll see nearby landmarks, parks, hotels, restaurants, bars, banks, and ATMs. You'll also see info such as how busy the location is, whether it's open, what the price range is, and how it's rated by Google Maps users. Well, Google Maps is the original social media. Well, go out there and you socialize. Original, I don't know, review app, original dating app, Maps. What can you do without Maps? Nothing.
Nothing, no.
Get nowhere. Sit in your room. I guess you could explore without it.
That'd be kind of cool.
Might be interesting too. Yeah, just look around.